What's up, Today I'm talking about coronavirus awareness, and so this is part two. And you guys, if you haven't checked out part one, so go to my videos and you see it coronavirus awareness. And so I'm going to talk about some things. It's gonna be a quick 5 minute video. So let's get into it. So the first thing is, as soon as you come out from like work or you came from somewhere else, just remind yourself that don't take your shoes in your house. Put it outside like your door. The only reason I'm telling you is because the infections on your shoes. It's not like you wear it again and again, you don't get infected, but like all the dirt and stuff will come to your house and it'll start getting like infected, like infection will be there in your house. And the second tip is, I'm gonna go from like tips and symptoms, by the way. And so second tip is that make like a small container where you can keep like your keys and like your phone. And tip 3 is with the continuous with tip 2. As soon as you do that, just put your phone and your keys in that container and straightly go without like touching anything, without even touching like a small piece like this. And like make sure whenever you're going somewhere, like even in your home, you should wear a glove. Like whenever you're wearing a glove, right, it doesn't infect like anything and all. And when COVID is over, you still need to wear a glove in case if you get infected after COVID also, who knows what will happen. And then just straight go to the shower, take a shower, but with not with like plain water, like just take water, not like that, like add some soap to your body and like take a clean shower. And after you finish that, the next you have to go is like don't, like whenever you're going somewhere, wear a mask and a glove. And a glove, wear like a glove which is like reusable, or you can also like dispose it, but a reusable, I think it's kind of useful. Like you can buy a lot of reusables, sorry. And then like after you think like, okay, I used this 5 times, now I think I should dispose it. Like you use it like 5 times, for like 5 days you wear it, because every day you have to go outside for some reason. And whenever you're wearing a mask, like you're buying a mask, buy a mask which is like 3 layers at least. Or if you can afford it, you should buy a KN95, which is like a protective, and I think it's a reusable mask, which is also good. And last but not least, the symptoms of COVID-19. It's like when all the symptoms happen to you, you get exposed. And like, yeah, I'm just gonna continue. I just don't want to spoil everything. Okay, first symptom is you start coughing a lot, like a lot of coughs. Second, you get a big high fever. Third one is like, it's like your throat, right? It kind of gets red, and it's like, I don't know what happens with that. It's like kind of gets like so thin, you can't swallow or anything. It's like that. And the fourth step, like the fourth stage, okay, I haven't seen steps, but it's stage. And the fourth stage is that you can't breathe properly. Where you can't breathe, you will die. It's obviously one big thing. And if you get all exposed, you think, oh my god, I think I have the virus. So go and immediately call a doctor and tell them, like, ask for like safety like measures and stuff, like what you should do. They'll call you an ambulance and put you in the hospital for 14 days, 14 or 15 days. It matters where you live, because most of the places I've like saw on everywhere, not like now, but where I read in the news and stuff, it's like some places 13, 10, 14, 15, maybe even like 20 days. It's some places is like that. And yeah, that's about it. And guys, I forgot to mention this, almost forgot to mention it, so I'm just gonna tell you. And if you guys search up to YouTube, people say that they've got the vaccine, like the people are not telling that they got the vaccine, how are people like getting surviving from this? If you believe people who like don't even know, like if it's not the news, it's just a random guy on like social media, he's just spreading, like he'll get like so many people to see him. Oh my god, this guy is a lifesaver and stuff. Don't believe it, because mostly everything starts from United Nations and everything ends from United Nations. And WHO is the first people, like first group that will announce the vaccine. Yeah, that this is the vaccine. Then and after that, as soon as they go, like the people who are in the like the countries, like the people who rule the countries, maybe they'll be there or they will be in like a Zoom meeting or something. I typically don't know what they will do when they're gonna say like that. And that same vaccine, they'll they'll tell them what is in the vaccine, and the people in that country will do the same thing. They'll make the vaccine, and then after that, news reporters will spread like, yeah, the vaccine has been confirmed, that this is the vaccine, and now that the whole place is going to be saved. Then other people on social media, they started. It's not like the social media people started, and like, yeah, these people are saying the truth. Well, they don't even know what, like, maybe they don't even know what you have to even create a vaccine. So guys, don't believe fake rumors on social media, like, yeah, this is the correct vaccine. Don't believe it. It has been Mahad. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.